For $100, that was worth it, dude.
Yeah, I know. I told you that.
Dylan bought a quad. Did you buy a helmet? Protect that peanut up there?
I have a mudding helmet and a motorcycle helmet. Mudding helmet is for that.
So the smoke is normal with a new catalytic converter or exhaust system parts. That's just burn off. So now what I'm doing is resetting the adaptives on the ECM, and you can do this with clearing the codes and going in with your scan tool and reset everything in the scan tool. Just using a code reader will not reset the ECU completely. There's adaptive numerators that get corrupted and information in there based on driving habits. So this is going to set this back to factory settings.
It's going to set you back to factory settings.
And then I'm going to have this twanger take it for a road test.
Yay!
So we're almost finished here. I'm very happy that this converter actually sealed. And what I'm doing is trying to discharge the capacitors. Cool. All right, everyone, we need to make a road test. Look.
You should replace your brake pads.
He should replace the brake pads. Nah, that's still good. He's got like...
You got another...
he's got another day or two.
100,000 miles in them motherfuckers. That's about it.
All right, everyone. Thanks for watching.
Bye, man.